Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an Alina crafts haul. I've got several new dies in the house and I'm really excited to share with you what I picked up. So let me just jump right on in. I have a lot to share with you. Alright, so we're going to start with this one right here. It's a super cute little snowflake like lamppost, and this is going to be perfect for Christmas crafting. We've got an adorable snowman, and I cannot wait to put him together. And he even is like, doesn't have a smooth edge around him, and he has a little bit of character. So that's what I really like about the snowman. Now this is super exciting. This bow right here, it comes in a large and a small size, and it has a tiny little heart in the scalloped part of the bow. It makes a scalloped heart edge. This bow is super cute. Of course, I could not resist. I had to cut these out immediately, so let me show you what they look like. All right, so here is the first. This is the larger bow right here. And make sure I'm focused for you guys, but isn't that gorgeous? I went ahead and cut it out several times because if you just watched my previous video where I shared the Starbucks coffee cup gift card holders, when I got this bow today, I said, you know what? I need to add a bow to that box. And so that is exactly what I did. I took the little, the bow and I added it to my coffee cup treat holder. And now I think it looks complete. I was thinking it looked a little plain, and now I think voila, the bow definitely does it for me. And as you can see, it has this little heart scallop. I just love it. It's so cute. So I'm really happy. I went ahead and die cut it out a bunch of times, and I've got it on two of my little treat holders, and I think it looks absolutely adorable. And I did punch out, or I die cut out the small one, and the small one looks like this, and it's really tiny, but it's not super tiny, but it's a great size, and really pretty. So I'm really excited about this bow and the larger bow. You can never have enough bows in your die stash, am I right? All right, so moving along. All right, so those are the bow dies. The next dies are these tabs, and it says you, love, and hugs. And this is gonna be perfect for planners or even scrapbooking layouts, anything really, any type of project, but I'm thinking traveler's notebooks for this die. So that is my idea, and I cannot wait to play with this one. I picked up this one. This is like a scalloped edge doily, and this is gonna make a really pretty edge on an envelope or a card, a gatefold card, anything like that would be gorgeous. So this is gonna be fun to play with as well. Alina did get some new hearts, and this is a scalloped heart with a layering piece that comes with it, and this is going to be super pretty, and I cannot wait to play with this one as well. And it's actually a really nice size. I thought I brought my ruler. I don't see it, but it's a great size. I mean, it's at least 3.5, 4 inches, so great size heart. She has these layering rectangle dies, which are really nice. And as you can see, they have like a little jagged edge to them, and it just gives it a little bit of character. So I cannot wait to cut these out. And this is absolutely perfect for layering your Christmas cards or any type of card for that matter. So this will be fun to play with. She also has the squares in her store now, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, it looks like 12 dies. So that's quite a bit of dies that you get. So really fun. I don't have anything like this, so I'm excited about these two. This is a new scalloped doily set. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. And this is just absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to cut this one out. This one even has a stitched edge around it, which is gonna create a lot of detail. So this is just a beautiful die set right here. And then I have this one right here, and this is like a board. These are border strip dies, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And as you can see, there's several different designs. I really like the little heart one right there. And then it looks like almost like little seashells. This one has like little tiny bows. So this is going to be a lot of fun to play with as well. And then I have this one to share with you. Now this is going to be fun. This creates tabs. So you have your different tabs that you can create, different like note tabs, like in a notebook or a traveler's notebook or a Rolodex. And that is the purpose of these little tabs right here. And then you can probably layer them and create different sizes. And as you can see, it comes with this piece right here. So basically you can create any type of Rolodex or memory dex card you want, or any shape. And I'll play with this, and I'll definitely come back on and show you guys what I create with these dies. Now, last but not least, this is like the most favorite die that I picked up. This creates a house. It comes with the roof, and then this is the house itself. And then it has all of these little pieces in here to decorate your house, all the windows and doors and all the window trims and the little door handle. And I could not wait. I had to cut this out immediately just so that I could show you what it looks like. And this is what the house looks like. I'm going to zoom out just a tad, but look how big it is. It is such a great size. Now, I believe you do need to have the extra large die cut machine to die cut this out. I tried to put it on my Big Shot and it just did not look like it was going to fit properly. Like, I don't think you can cut it out on a Big Shot. I think you're definitely going to need a big, larger die cut machine, like a Platinum, Spellbinders Platinum, or the Sizzix extra large machine. But anyway, this is absolutely adorable. I just wanted to cut it out because I wanted to see the size and how big it was. But look at the windows. I love all the trimmings, and there's just so many things that you can do with this. And I'm just thinking Christmas. You can put a light in there and create a little scene, but that's the inside. I didn't close it up because I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet. But this is going to be so much fun to play with. So I wanted to share with you this house. So that is it for today. I will have another Alina crafts haul for you, so stay tuned for that video. Check the description box below. I'll leave the links to all the items that I shared with you today. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.